As you embark on your journey towards better health, you'll no doubt at some point come across the term diet. Maybe you have been told that you need to diet to lose weight, or dieting will make you healthier. When you hear the word diet, what comes to mind? If you envision yourself eating unappealing foods and suffering through hours of grueling exercise, then you're not alone. Unfortunately, many people have a negative view of diets and think of them as nothing more than a temporary fix for weight loss. But what if we told you that the diet you are on could last a lifetime? Before we begin today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I come up with the next amazing video. As it turns out, the most common diet mistakes are often the ones that significantly impact our health. It is estimated that 45% of people who diet end up gaining back more weight than they lost within 5 years. This number increases to 95% when dieting is not followed by exercise. There are a lot of people that are not losing weight and keeping it off. Except for bariatric surgery, no other health intervention is more likely to fail than dieting. So, what are some of the most common dieting mistakes that people make? What should you do instead? Here are the 7 reasons you're not losing weight. 1. The importance of daily exercise. Working out is one of the essential parts of staying fit and healthy. By exercising every day, you get stronger, and your endurance increases. Studies have shown that people who exercise regularly are at a lower risk for obesity, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Every time you exercise, you burn calories, which can help you lose weight. But how does exercise help with weight loss? Firstly, it is important to understand that weight loss is a combination of consuming fewer calories and burning more calories. If you eat the same number of calories that you burn, then you will not lose weight. As a general rule, the more exercise you do, the more calories you will burn. This calorie expenditure will mean that you are more likely to eat less and help you lose weight. 2. Not eating breakfast. Most of us hear it at least once a week. Eat breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. What we rarely hear is, why? In truth, eating breakfast is one of the best ways to set yourself up for a day of healthy eating. It also gives you a chance to start the day off right with a balanced meal that can do wonders for your energy level and prevent you from overeating later in the day. However, if you're not a breakfast eater, it's easy to assume that it's okay to skip it. But it's not. Skipping breakfast or not eating breakfast can lead to weight gain and make you hungrier throughout the day, making it even easier to gain weight. 3. Not eating enough. Not eating enough is not good for your body. It is not suitable for any diet plan. If you eat too little, you are going to feel weak and exhausted. You won't have enough energy to exercise, and you'll be more likely to skip meals. And if you skip meals, you'll be hungry and more likely to overeat when you do eat. Eating meals and snacks every few hours is the best way to keep your energy high, control your appetite, and get the nutrients your body needs. 4. Eating the wrong foods. Many dieters make the same mistakes over and over again. For example, they count calories instead of sticking to a healthy food plan. Or they start a diet without first having a realistic idea of how much weight they can lose. If you are going to make a serious effort to lose weight, you need to avoid these mistakes. You know to eat your vegetables and stay away from sweets. But did you know that not eating enough protein and whole grains can be just as harmful to your dieting efforts? You could be falling into a dieting trap if you aren't eating enough of these essential nutrients. Protein and whole grains are crucial to thinking, staying focused, and having the energy you need to tackle your day. If you don't eat enough, you're not only depriving yourself of these valuable brain nutrients, you're probably not filling yourself up either, which means you'll find yourself snacking all day long. 5. Taking too many diet pills. For the past decade or so, diet pills have been a popular way for people to attempt to lose weight quickly and safely. However, as obesity rises, so does the number of diet pill cases reported. These pills are often marketed as natural and safe, but this is not always true. For example, your body needs certain minerals and vitamins to function correctly, and many diet pills remove vital nutrients from your body. This can quickly lead to vital nutrient deficiencies and serious health problems. No matter what the diet pill, it is always important to talk to a doctor before starting any weight loss plan. 6. Don't fall prey to diet fads. Fad diets can be very tempting. The promise of a quick fix tends to be more appealing than a long-term commitment to a healthier lifestyle. But the reality is that these fads are typically unhealthy and don't last. The truth is that a healthy lifestyle takes time, but the payoff is excellent. 7. Stay motivated. The first and most important thing you must do is to create a plan for your workout. You must be dedicated to your plan and stick to it. If you don't have a plan, you may see some results, but you will not keep up the routine. If you don't keep the routine, you won't see the results. You must keep a balanced diet. You must eat at least 3 meals a day. If you are going to eat just 1 meal a day, you will not be getting the proper nutrition your body needs. You must eat meals that contain protein and carbohydrates. This will keep your blood sugar level steady, which will keep you from getting the urge to snack. It is always important to talk to a doctor before starting any weight loss plan. Let us know in the comments section what mistakes you made during your weight loss plan. If you like this video and feel like it could help your friends, then share it right away. See you in the next video. Till then, eat healthily.